How to unblock eToro account. Visit the eToro website and navigate to the Help Center or Support section. Look for a Contact Us or Support link to access customer support. Once on the customer support page, you may find a form or information on how to submit a support request. Provide details about your account, including your username, email address, and a description of the issue. Clearly explain that your eToro account is blocked and provide any relevant details. If you received any notifications or messages regarding the block, include that information in your request. After submitting your support request, be patient and wait for a response from eToro. Check your email regularly for updates from eToro's support team. eToro may require you to go through a verification process to confirm your identity and address the issue. Be prepared to provide any necessary documentation or information requested by eToro. While waiting for support, review eToro's terms and conditions to ensure that you are aware of any potential reasons for the block. Avoid making multiple attempts to access your account while it is blocked. This could complicate the resolution process. That's how you can unblock eToro account.